A for apple. Apple means shape. B for ball. Ball means game. Ball. C for cat. Cat means Billy. D for dog. Dog means Kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means Hathi. F for fish. Fish means Machli. G for grapes. Grapes means Angur. H for hen. Hen means Murgi. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jug. Jug means jug. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. S for sun. Sun means सूरज. T for tiger. Tiger means बाघ. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V for van. Van means van. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Christmas tree. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.